How to allow camera permissions in Google Chrome. In this video, I'll show you how you can turn on and use your camera in the Chrome browser. First, open the Chrome browser. Then click on the three vertical dots at the top right corner and scroll down to click on Settings. From the left side menu, click on Privacy and Security. After that, scroll down and click on Site Settings. Then scroll down again and click on Camera. Make sure the option that says Sites can ask to use your camera is turned on. You can also choose your camera using the drop-down menu. Then check the section that says Not allowed to use your camera and make sure the website is not listed there. After doing this, the next time you open a website that needs your camera, you'll get a notification where you can allow camera access. Another way to do this is by opening the website where you want to allow camera permission. Then click on the icon next to the address bar and choose Site Settings. Scroll down to the Permissions section and make sure the camera option is set to Allow. Once you do this, the camera will be allowed for that specific website. You may also need to click Reload to apply the changes.